2 on the top. Alright. At least that's a chance for the major, I believe. Here we go. Minor, major, minor, and of course it only gives me 250. Alright guys, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for your support.